Precious Lifestyle. In today's video, guys, I'll be doing top knot bun. I don't know if that's what it's called, but I believe so. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are my old subscriber, thank you for always coming back to support me. I love you guys. Without further ado, guys, let's jump right into the video. I don't know if it's focused. It's like inside. With these ones, guys. because my hair is not that long and I want it to be high a little, but not that high. So just going to take it back. So I'm just going to use this one to wrap the down to make it neat. Keep watching. Sorry, I'm going with my go-to bee spray. Doing my baby hair with this gel. I'm going to do the makeup and we'll see the finished look. Okay guys, this is the finished look of the hair, as you guys can see, but I decided to add a little bit more, just a little, not that much. So guys, this is the finished look. This is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys like the video, and please guys, if you like the video, love what you are saying, this hair, the way I did it's so simple guys. You can do this at home. It's not difficult. It's very simple. So you can do this at home. Just try it out and comment it in the comment section if you got it right or not. For me, I think it looked cute, easy to go. If you enjoyed this video guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.